How to install mods for Wobbly Life game. So first you will need to right click on Wobbly Life, then click on Manage, Browse Local Files, then keep this folder open. Next you will need to open up your browser and then search for Wobbly Life mods. Click on the first website, which is Nexus Mods, and then you should simply find the mods that you want to use. So for example, this size modifier mod, and then the Infinity Jetpack, and also download larger lobbies and mission time freezer. Now you will need to sign into this Nexus Mods website. You might need to create a account, which is free, then hit the manual download button, and then click on slow download, and then wait 5 seconds for the download to start. Then click on start download, and then open up the zip file that you just downloaded and extract the DLL to your desktop. Next you will need to install the BipNX loader, which if you scroll down to in one of these mods pages, you should find that in order to install this, you'll need to download BipNX 5. You can copy this link here and open it up in a new tab, and it will basically prompt you to download the BipNX version 5. Then you will need to extract this BipNX loader. So select everything inside the zip file, open up the installation path of the game, and then just drag over everything from the zip file into this directory. And once everything is extracted, open up the BipNX folder and right click and create a plugins folder if you don't find one already, like this. Next you will need to open up Steam and launch the game for the first time and wait for it to load. Once the game loads for the first time, you will need to click on the quit button to close it, and that should initialize BipNX. Now open up the plugins folder and drag the mods that you've downloaded, the DLL files, which is this one right here for example. Drag it and drop it in the plugins folder along with any other mods that you've downloaded, and you can basically close this window and then just launch the game from Steam for the second time. And once the game loads up, you should have all your mods in the game that are ready to use, and then you can just start playing. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.